Yes, I am Christine De Alisna, a third year BES Ed major in science student.
This video is purely based on my opinion and understanding about the universe. Don't expect too much, by the way, you can hear some barriers. Please bear with it.
So, what comes in your mind when you encounter the word universe? Well, for me, universe is a space in which the stars, the planets, the galaxies, the black holes, and any other form of matter were found. What we see in the sky and day which is the sun, and at night, which is the moon and the stars, are the same part of the universe. So what we see in our naked eye, or even with the help of any advancement like technology advancement like telescopes and observatories, were just giving us a little bit or a dust of information compared to what the universe really have. Unfortunately, until now, nobody knows the exact size of our universe, and it remained unmeasurable. And this is because of the growth of the universe is continuously accelerating, which means it continuously expanding over time. And that is because of the mysterious force called the dark energy. This dark energy causes the space itself to stretch apart, and the universe stretches from unimaginable distance and to every different direction, and who knows, maybe to infinity itself. How the
But
universe originated. So, the cosmology, which happens to be the foundation of the astronomy, is the study of universe and the origin and the evolution of it. So, the cosmologists give so much effort to find answers and theories that can explain the features of the universe, the fixed speed of light, the fact that the universe is expanding, and the way which matter is distributed through the cosmos. But one of the biggest challenges that the cosmologists faced is the is to predict the future of the ultimate fate of the universe. So, as of now, modern cosmology uses the Big Bang Theory as their basis to explain the universe, or how the universe originated, since it is the most successful explanation for the observed properties of the universe and the laws of theoretical physics. What is the Big Bang Theory? So it was a theory developed by a Russian-born physicist George Gamow and his colleagues in the 1950s. His theory explained that about 13.8 billion years ago, the universe came into a violent explosion, also known as the cataclysmic explosion. It was not an explosion in the conventional sense, which is the normal explosion, because it was an explosion of space itself and the beginning of time. Make it more simple, the universe came from a small singularity or a very small matter, and because of too much heat, it exploded and become the universe what we have right now. The theory become more strong because of some evidences, like the feature of our modern day universe and the fact that the entire sky is still glowing with the faint radiation left over from the initial explosion, strong enough to make this theory as the basis for cosmology as an explanation for the origin of the universe. However, there are some problems that make the Big Bang Theory questionable. That is when the Big Bang Theory suggested that all matter were evenly distributed during the explosion, which is contradicted by the theory of inflation. The theory of inflation developed around 1970 when the astronomers discovered that the galaxies were distributed very unevenly throughout the universe. It only means that the matter in the universe, or like planets and galaxies, doesn't have uniform distance from each other. Until now, the Big Bang Theory is still the most strongest theory among all the theories proposed that could explain the origin of the universe. And until there are no other theory that could withstand the explanation of the Big Bang Theory about the origin of the universe, it will still the basis for the cosmology and astronomy.